Hi, this is Ryan, and I'm going to go over VLOOKUP. So to do VLOOKUP, what we're going to do is this is our master sheet, or the sheet that we want to build. This is the data we want to add. So we have our student number, we have our common number. So this number is common to this sheet. It's also common to the data sheet. So we're going to bring this data over to this sheet in this column. So we do that as we use VLOOKUP. So it looks like this: equals VLOOKUP. And what we're going to do is we're going to look up this number in A2 in the data sheet. And we're going to select all that data. And then we're going to have to do the index, which is the column we're going to bring over. So we're going to go with the football team. So we're going to look up this number, and we're going to return the football column. So that column is 2, 1, 2. Then we want it to be false. We're going to close it off. And the last thing you have to do is you have to put dollar signs around the A and dollar signs around the B. If this would go out to E or F, you would do the same thing. We're just going to fix this range and hit enter. So now we brought over Stephen. So if we go back to the data sheet, we're going to notice that 22869 likes the Chiefs. So we brought that data over. And we're just going to click it and fill down. And there is how you do a quick